Are you a student drowning in essays, research papers, and never-ending study notes? You're not alone, but here's the good news. AI has your back in 2025. Today, I'm showing you 5 insanely useful AI tools that every student needs. These tools save time, improve grades, and most of them are 100% free. Let's jump in. Tool number 1. Notion AI. Notion AI is more than a productivity app. It can summarize lecture notes, turn bullet points into full paragraphs, and even write essays from scratch. If you're someone who types out messy class notes or brainstorms in fragments, Notion AI will transform that chaos into a clean, logical outline, instantly. It also rewrites content with different tones: academic, casual, professional, whatever your professor expects. And the best part? Notion gives students free AI access through their education plans. Tool number 2. Goblin Tools. This one's a hidden gem. Goblin Tools is perfect if you have ADHD, feel overwhelmed easily, or just struggle to plan tasks. It takes complex assignments and breaks them into smaller, manageable steps. Let's say you're writing a 5-page research paper. Goblin Tools can help you break that down into research topics, draft outline, write intro, source citation, final bullet. Plus, it has a tone adjuster, brain dump cleaner, and checklist builder, all powered by AI. Tool number 3. Grammarly AI. You already know Grammarly, but did you know it's been upgraded with powerful AI rewriting? Now, instead of just checking grammar, it gives you full sentence rewrites, tone suggestions, and clarity boosters. For students, this means no more boring, robotic paragraphs. Grammarly AI helps you rewrite papers to sound more natural, confident, or persuasive, depending on what you need. It even includes a plagiarism checker and works across Google Docs, Word, and even emails. So whether it's a class paper or an email to your professor, Grammarly has your back. Tool number 4. Scispace Copilot. If you've ever looked at a 20-page academic paper and thought, "What does this even mean?" This is the tool for you. Scispace Copilot lets you upload a PDF of any research paper, and it will answer questions about it in plain English. Ask things like, "What's the main point? What are the results? What does this graph mean?" Perfect for last-minute research or if you're writing a lit review and need to skim 5 sources in an hour. This AI literally reads academic language and explains it like you're 12. Tool number 5. QuillBot AI. QuillBot is famous for paraphrasing, but in 2025, it's so much more. Now it includes tone detection, AI citation generation, grammar suggestion, summarizer, plagiarism detection, and even co-writing tools. Let's say you've written a paragraph, but it sounds off. QuillBot can rewrite it in 5 different ways: casual, formal, persuasive, etc. It's perfect for rewriting content in your own words, staying original, and making sure your tone fits the assignment. Final thoughts. These 5 tools aren't just time savers, they're grade boosters. You'll spend less time stressing and more time learning. If you want to see these tools compared side by side, or watch me use them live, make sure to hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments which AI tool you wish existed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.